penetration is the word we are using. What is there? To go deep into the country and touch the poorest of the poor with some kind of a insurance inclusion. You all know that Jan Dhan Yojana brought in the financial inclusion. I was also very impressed by one of the members who spoke about Swamitva. Was it Manoj Jaji? Swamitva. I was glad to hear that word. Who actually is doing Swamitva to the rural poor? Prime Minister Modi. Swamitva is asking. We've given digitized records to poorest of poor who hold small bits of land. They can't even have papers in their hand. Unless they have the paper, they can't go to the bank and raise a loan. Who actually is working for Swamitva and for the Swamitva of the poor? You may be a small party, I'm using your word, I'm not saying your party is small, but you said, I belong to small, will you hear my voice? Your voice is what is being heard. And we're doing that work. We are actually delivering, not just hearing your word. So, when somebody else said, I was very sort of hurt, but of course it's the right of every member. The poor will laugh at you. No, the poor are supporting Prime Minister Modi. Poor are saying, here we go, we give you what? Give us Ujjwala, give us gas cylinder, give us water. Nal se jal. No rich man wants Nal se jal. They're poor people who want some jal at their homes. Otherwise, they're carrying 7 or 8 pots and going miles. Rajasthan. In desert area, Bundelkhand, Madhya Pradesh. That's what Prime Minister Modi is doing. Poor are not laughing. They are actually laughing with happiness that here is the Prime Minister who is giving me gas in my house. Here is the Prime Minister who is bringing Nal se jal. Here is the Prime Minister who has given me full financial inclusion. Here is the Prime Minister who gives me mudra to do my chota mota venture in the street. Yeah, all right. You will. Don't shift the milepost. First, reach the gas. First, reach the gas to the poorest of poor. So, sir. The poor people are laughing with a sense of joy. I'm not sure if I remember who the honorable member was. Yes, the poor are happy because at least every one of the program of the government is reaching them. And by this, the Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Bima Yojana was launched by us. At 1 rupee per day, you can insure. You can safeguard your life, your limbs. If you were to have an accident, that Bima Yojana gives you money. So, in order to have that kind of a penetration, insurance companies need more money. I want to underline, and also to link it with Atmanirbhar Bharat and say, you're supposed to be, lecturing on Atmanirbhar Bharat. How are you allowing FDI? Yes, we are allowing FDI into this country. We are not saying take our money and go away. That is Atmanirbharta. We are only doing that, sir. So, yeah, we are bringing him back. Don't worry, you list me. Vijay Mallya, Mehul Choksi, Nirav Modi, all your friends are coming back.
Please.
All there, sir. Yes,
please.
I agree.
Please,
I address you, sir.
Please.
Vijay Mallya, Nirav Modi, Mehul Choksi, all of them are coming back to face the law of this land. Atmanirbharta.
मंत्री के बयान के अलावा कोई चीज रिकॉर्ड पे नहीं जा रही है. आप बैठकर ना बोलें.
Sir, therefore, you can have any number of pulling us up. We'll answer every question. But whose dost was Mallya, whose dost was Choksi, whose dost was Nirav Modi, all of us know. And who gave them? Who gave them the money?
Who gave them loan?
Please.
So, sir,
Please.
no problem. They can keep asking one after the other. Everybody is coming back to this country to face the law of this country, sir. So, it's all right when I can give you the calendar. Government of India, Prime Minister Modi, 100% committed to the social justice point of view, which has been raised by several members. I am happy to say that we stand by the constitutional affirmative action and every reservation that has been provided, and therefore, when I've quoted the number of public sector insurance companies, The reservation policy is fully implemented, protected, guarded. It shall be like that today. It shall be like that tomorrow. So I want to assure that this number of companies which are in the open market as private companies, when they need money,
Please.
I wish
Please,
members
back
hear
up.
me out,
Please,
sir.
please,
I
sir.
wish members
Please.
hear me out because
Please.
I've taken every one of their questions.
Please.
Every one of their questions, sir, I've taken it seriously. I'm addressing with all the responsibility that is within my command to say Government of India. And actually, sir, I don't want to speak politics. If there are instances of repeatedly proving our commitment for the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, and also for the BCs, it is Prime Minister Modi and his government. BC Commission was us. SC, reservation, number of, in between 2014 and
Please.
19, sir.
Please.
Look at what has been committed
Please.
from the government with immense pride and with a sense of, commitment. Whether it is Dr. Ambedkar's residence in the UK, whether it's Punya Bhumi in Delhi, whether it is Nagpur, every one of Sri Ambedkar's very sacred spaces have been.
Please
Sir,
बैठ
this is
कर ना
not
बोले
fair.
प्लीज आप कोई बात रिकॉर्ड पे नहीं जा रही आपकी कोई बात रिकॉर्ड पे नहीं जा रही प्लीज बैठे प्लीज नो
Sir.
माननीय मंत्री जी को बोलो प्लीज
I want to.
प्लीज आप प्लीज
Sir, I want to appeal.
प्लीज नथिंग इज गोइंग ऑन रिकॉर्ड माननीय मंत्री
Sir,
जी
I
आप
want to appeal. Sir, I want to appeal through you that when I've heard all the members sitting here patiently, which is my duty, I would request every member to kindly listen to the response that I'm giving rather than come
Please.
disrupting my answers.
प्लीज
Every one of the sacred places associated with Dr. Ambedkar was ensured, preserved,
Please.
protected,
Please.
updated by Prime Minister Modi
Nothing is
between
going on
2014
record
and 19.
except minister's statement.
And today,
Please.
a party, I am now talking politics,
प्लीज
sir.
बैठ कर ना बोले माननीय
Have
मंत्री जी
some
का ही बयान
patience to
जाएगा
listen.
रिकॉर्ड पे प्लीज
The party which defeated Dr. Ambedkar in an election has the strength to start shedding crocodile tears on that.
प्लीज मैडम
So, sir, I want members to do recognize that the way in which within 5 years our commitment to the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes and to the backward classes have been shown is proven. And coming to this,
प्लीज बैठ कर ना बोले प्लीज मैडम प्लीज
sir, coming to the policy that has been stated as a part of the budget about the presence of strategic sectors, finance.
Please.
Oh my God.
प्लीज बैठ कर ना बोले
This
प्लीज
is
बैठ कर नथिंग इज
unbelievable,
गोइंग ऑन
sir.
रिकॉर्ड प्लीज मैडम एड्रेस प्लीज एड्रेस
They don't want, this has become now, Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir.
प्लीज
I appeal to the members that I was immensely touched and I'm very grateful for that the debate happened. Everybody did voice their concern. I fully take it upon myself that it's my duty to answer, and only request is when I'm answering, kindly hear it out. You can, this kind of, anyway. So,
प्लीज बैठ कर ना बोले
I'm coming back. No, you
प्लीज बैठ कर ना बोले
Amit
कोई बात
ji,
रिकॉर्ड पे
come
नहीं जा
on.
रही प्लीज
Dr. Yagnik,
Please.
don't do this.
प्लीज
Sir, so reservation applies to all those public sector undertaking. Oh, sir, allow me, sir.
प्लीज
So, the strategic sectors in financial sector is also part of the strategic sectors. And where we have very clearly said there will be presence of the public sector enterprises. And therefore, reservation is protected
Please.
and reservation will be respected. I want to say this in spite of all the voices which are trying to drown me. Reservation is safe under Prime Minister Modi.
Thank you.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying rupees 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.